Temporomandibular Joint Disorders. Introduction. The TM joint is rarely used. Select true or false. Correct. The TM joint is one of the most used joints of the body. It is used when we eat, talk, chew, and yawn. While cracking nuts with his teeth, Bob tears a tendon of the TM joint. What type of TMJ disorder is this condition? Choose one of the following options. 1. Muscle disorder. 2. Derangement disorder. 3. Degenerative disorder. Correct. A tendon is the part of a muscle that attaches to the bone. Does chewing gum cause TMJ disorders? Select yes or no. Correct. Some people who chew gum for long periods develop TMJ disorders. If they stop chewing gum, their pain may be reduced or relieved. This does not mean that all people who chew gum have TMJ disorders. Dental history is not useful in diagnosing TMJ disorders. Select true or false. Correct. Checking the patient's dental and medical history is very important. Which of the following treatments is the most conservative for treating TMJ disorders? Choose one of the following options. 1. Heat and ice treatment. 2. Oral splints. 3. Restorative dentistry, such as bridges. 4. Surgery. Correct. Conservative treatments are simple and do not require surgery or changing the bite. Thank you for using Explain.